Central Courthouse Productions. Hello everyone, and welcome to the second episode of Plush. Enjoy. I am a happy bear, I'm a happy bear, I'm a happy bear. Yeah, more like a sad bear. Why do you have to be so mean? Such a dang loser. Well, I am just gonna go to a restaurant. Yeah, let's see what to eat. Did anyone say eat? Oh yeah, I said eat. Well, I live in a place called the Rainforest Cafe. You do? That famous place? Yeah, it's right down in San Antonio. I'm not going to San Antonio. You gotta build one in here. You frog. Take that back. You know I don't like anyone calling me a frog. Fine, just, can you build one? Why, sure. Yeah, okay, I'll build one right now. Oh, here it is. Oh boy! Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ew, is he eating socks? That's gross. What? Socks? No. Gross. Cannonball. Get off me, you moron. Oh no, he's going crazy. Yeah. Fine, we're gonna have to put you in jail. Including your girlfriend. No. Oh, are you okay? No, that guy beat me up. By the way, I need to try this. Oh, this is so good.